Hi and welcome to the session. My name is Shashi and I am going to help you with the following question. Question says, the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? What would be the temperature at midnight? Let us now start the solution. We are given temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. So we can denote it by plus 10 degrees Celsius since it is 10 degrees Celsius above zero. So we can write temperature at 12 noon is equal to 10 degrees Celsius, which we can denote by plus 10 degrees Celsius. Now we have to find that at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero. Now 8 degrees Celsius below zero can be indicated by minus 8 degrees Celsius since this temperature is below zero. So we can indicate temperature 8 degrees Celsius below zero by minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now we know initial temperature is equal to 10 degrees Celsius and final temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius. So difference in two temperatures is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius minus 10 degrees Celsius. This is further equal to minus 18 degrees Celsius. We know rate of decrease of temperature is 2 degrees per hour until midnight. So we can write rate of decrease of temperature per hour until midnight is equal to 2 degrees Celsius. Which we can denote by minus 2 degrees Celsius. As it is decreasing, so we can denote it by minus 2 degrees Celsius per hour. Now, the total number of hours in which temperature reaches 8 degrees Celsius below zero is given by minus 18 divided by minus 2. So we can write total number of hours in which temperature reaches 8 degrees Celsius below zero is equal to minus 18 divided by minus 2, which is equal to 9 hours. We know when we divide a negative integer by a negative integer, first we divide the integers as whole numbers. That is, first of all we will divide 18 and 2. We know 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9, and after that we will put a positive sign before the quotient. So our required hours are 9 hours. Now we have to find the time at which temperature would be 8 degrees Celsius below zero. So we can write time at which temperature would be 8 degrees Celsius below zero is equal to 9 p.m. We know 9 hours after 12 noon is 9 p.m. So the temperature reaches minus 8 degrees Celsius at 9 p.m. Now next part of the question is, what would be the temperature at midnight? Now we know total number of hours between 12 noon and 12 midnight is equal to 12 hours. So we can write total number of hours between 12 noon and 12 midnight is equal to 12 hours. We know that temperature is decreasing at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour after 12 noon till midnight. So we can write decrease in temperature till midnight is equal to multiplied by minus 2, which is equal to minus 24 degrees Celsius. So we can write temperature at midnight is equal to (10 plus minus 24), which is equal to minus 14 degrees Celsius. Here 10 is the temperature at 12 noon and minus 24 is the variation in temperature produced from 12 noon till midnight. So we can find the temperature at midnight by adding the temperature at 12 noon with the variation produced in the temperature till midnight. Now we get 10 plus minus 24 is equal to minus 14 degrees Celsius. So required answer for the first part of the question is 9 p.m. and for the second part of the question is minus 14 degrees Celsius. So our answer is 9 p.m. and minus 14 degrees Celsius. This completes the session. Hope you understood the session. Goodbye and take care.